This is the building I have up for sale. It is a 12 by 30. It has a ramp instead of steps. I decided to go with the ramp, which the ramp is not steep at all. Several of my clients are in wheelchairs. They have no problem with it. And my other clients prefer it than they do steps. There will be some things that will not go with a salon, you know, personal items. It's a very nice shop. Took us over a year to get it built and up and ready to go. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording and go inside. This is the ramp. And it's not hard to walk up at all. It's not steep at all. This is the little porch area. Has a motion light there also. You see that motion light. It comes on at dusk. And these are the fixtures I had made. Love those fixtures. And we will go in the shop. Go in the door. This is my nail tech station. This is a homemade table, which I would really rather keep table, but because it was built for me by a very special person. That slides out. So if you have clients that you want to soak their nails off, it is the light fixture, and there's the TV remote and the air conditioner remote, but I don't have my TV in here. There is a polish shaker. I don't know how well I'm doing this. I'm not good at this, but as you can see, like I said, some things will not go. Both the dryer and UV dryer and the shaker, that will go. I covered all the light sockets and electrical sockets. I wanted it rather rustic looking. And then the curtains are toe sacks. Okay, let's see if I can back out of here. That's the nail polish racks, and I have one more rack. I got rid of some polishes. That's where I do pedicures. I have two of those hydraulic chairs. The footrests, I have the footrest for them. I use that for my pedicure. And in that red cabinet behind it, it is the towel cabinet and supply cabinet. It will go. More of the I'm not good at photography. Just the pedestal. I have another pedestal too. Okay, we'll go to the kitchen area. The washer and dryer goes with it. The microwave, I'm not sure. It doesn't belong to me. It belongs to someone else. But I will check. I'm pretty sure we can let it go with it. There's a dry sanitizer, implements. Turn that light off and see if I can get a little better shot. Air conditioner's up there and it works fantastic. We have really insulated this and it will flat bring it down in here. The refrigerator, I'm not sure if it'll go, but I will see about it because it does not belong to me. Over here on this wall, I make soap. This is my soaping supplies. It will not go. It's not included in the Salon. Okay, let's see. The washer and dryer works great. It's about 4 years old. This is the towel cabinet. The stuff on top of it does not go. My father made me that wagon. And that's my soap cutter up there. Let me open this cabinet. Turn the light back on. Towels go. Soaping supplies do not go. That's most of that down there is soaping supplies. The black towels, they belong to the hairstylist, and the capes, they belong to the hairstylist. They will not go. Okay. We'll go over here, go down this wall. Okay, this is the hairstylist area. The two small cabinets to the left with the green top, those do not go. They belong to the hairstylist. The hairstylist supplies do not go. That little black shelf will go. The mirror, the wet dry station. That chair belongs to the hairstylist, but I do have another hydraulic chair. That red cabinet does not go. Or red chest of drawers. These are coat racks. Of course those go. There's some of my soaping behind it. That's my soap that I make. I don't know if you can read that. I'll let that business hour sign go. Like the roof, the ceiling is corrugated metal. It's the restroom. I'll go in there in just a moment. Trying to get these light fixtures. We made these, and I had a blast making these light fixtures. Turn the lights off and see if that helps. They're mason ball. Doesn't really help. Maybe you can tell a little bit about it. Okay, now we'll go into the restroom. This is my heat source. I'll turn it on so you can see what it looks like. Isn't it cute? But you may want to get another one. This one does not have a thermostat. It just runs full blast. But it's cute. My clients love it. It makes it real homey looking in here. Okay, we're going to the bathroom. Okay, that's the bathroom door. And there is a doorstop back behind it that we made. And this is the bathroom. if you can see the... It has one of those mason jar light things too. It's a nice shop. I have enjoyed it. My brother and my nephew built this for me. I really do love it. But it's getting time for me to retire. That's about all I could take of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I covered all the light switches and electrical outlets. I don't know if you can really tell. It's pretty. I like it. My clients really liked it. Thank you.